I'm Pauline.
I'm Phil.
And we are Mouse and Mermaid.
That's true. And today we're going to be doing a holiday treat tasting.
But first, let's see what pin I got today. Hello everyone and happy December 2nd. It is day 2 of Vlogmas. We are going to kick this video off with my pin advent calendar. It was curated by my friend Mary over at Jolly Holiday with Mary. So I highly encourage you, after you watch this video, to go head over to her channel and see what pin I curated for her that she unboxed today. Today we have the beautiful windmill that we are going to open that has our advent pin. This is absolutely stunning. Oh my gosh, I love this pin. This is a fantasy pin and it is little baby Yoda on Splash Mountain. So I'm not sure what small shop this is from, but little baby Yoda on Splash Mountain is just precious. And of course the gold medal. I am gonna have to hide this from Phil because he loves baby Yoda and Splash Mountain. Mary, thank you so much. Now let's get into today's video. All right guys, it's time for the treat tasting. Phil, I don't think knows what treats I picked out, but I got these all at Wegmans. And there's some unique holiday treats. I'm really excited to try them out. So let's dive in.
I feel like this is a trap.
We're gonna start off easy with these hot cocoa cookies.
Oh, good. I haven't had any hot cocoa lately.
We just did the hot cocoa video. So apparently Dewey's has been baking since 1930.
I know your tricks, Dewey.
Hopefully they know what they're doing.
If you got that movie reference, tell me down in the comments.
All right, it's a bag within a bag.
Is there gonna be another bag?
No, but there's like a little plastic thing, like the little tray.
Dewey's is taking this serious.
Oh wow, these are really big cookies. Look at these things. They're soft. How is it? No?
I can't wait to get this out of my mouth.
These are not good. These don't taste like hot cocoa. They don't taste like anything.
It tastes like dog food. It's so bad. It's really hard to screw up chocolate.
I'm shocking that they aren't dog food.
Just put chocolate in there, guys. It's not that hard.
It says chalk filled. Wow.
Filled with chalk? That you write with? Because that's what it tastes like, chalk.
This is my first mistake. Apparently they're experts in fruitcake.
So they're used to making disappointing treats. They're very good at making subpar. Not in quality. The preparation and packaging is excellent. They just want to give you an inferior product on purpose. Like fruitcake. Fruitcake is terrible. Anyone that likes it is wrong.
Well, if you see this really cute vintagey packaging and feel like it's filled with holiday spirit,
it's a trap.
It's not. Hopefully these are a little more modern and won't be disappointing. But these are flips, but they are candy cane covered pretzels. So, little pepperminty treat. Oh my gosh, very pepperminty.
It's almost like they're covered with peppermint.
Okay, not too much peppermint. More a smell thing than a taste. Like there's peppermint there, but it's, you more taste the chocolate and the pretzel. And personally, I hate white chocolate. This doesn't taste like a normal white chocolate to me.
If you've ever had the Andes candies, like the Andes Mountains candies that are like the peppermint chocolate.
Yes.
That's what this tastes like, but with a nice pretzel inside. So these are a significant improvement over the last thing. Obviously, you know, to make, you know, apples and oranges, a chocolate covered pretzel versus a cookie, but this is much better and a much more appropriate holiday treat.
These
it doesn't
are delicious.
It doesn't make you sad, so that's nice.
These I would like put out in a little bowl and like have, you know, when people come over, I would get these every year. We're gonna go on with a peppermint treat, and they have taken the classic Milano cookie and added some chocolate and peppermint to it. So this is from Pepperidge Farms.
Pepperidge Farms, tremendous. Nice thick coating of chocolate, good sized cookie, good distribution of peppermint. There's a reason why they're 50 calories each.
A little more peppermint. Not my favorite.
Unfortunately, function does not follow form. The cookie tastes kind of dry and kind of like
cardboardy.
Yeah, cookie's not the same buttery Milano that you might be used to. The chocolate is kind of like, it's a dark chocolate, so it's like a subtle flavor, right? But it's like totally, the flavor is cut out of it for some reason. It doesn't really taste like anything except old cookie and peppermint. And the juxtaposition between the soft chocolate and the soft cookie and then the hard peppermint, I don't like that. That's why I don't eat sprinkles.
Well, the cookie's not that soft. And I would say the cookie very well may be nice and buttery. The chocolate very well may be delicious, but there's just a little too much peppermint in there. It's kind of all you can taste plus the texture of everything else.
Yeah, like they want the extra mile and they used real peppermint instead of like an artificial peppermint or a peppermint flavoring, which is nice. That's like a premium thing, and Pepperidge Farms is marketed as a premium brand, but unfortunately it's just not our thing. You may like it if you like that sort of thing, but I'm not into it.
Yeah, maybe this will be Pepperidge Farms redeeming cookie.
Redemption.
These are Snowballs and they're citrus flavor because I always feel like citrus is very holiday.
We do like to spend our Christmases in the Polynesian resort. See how they're nice and dusted with powdered sugar?
There's the actual cookie, like a sprinkle.
Now let's taste test this not as advertised cookie.
I mean, it's okay.
No, garbage.
Citrus flavors kind of there, like very subtly. It's definitely not a soft cookie, a little harder, buttery flavors there. But I think there's just so many better things that you could get as a holiday treat. I mean, eat any cookie your family makes, they'll be better than this probably.
Chestnuts roasting on an open fire.
Chestnuts, they're a holiday classic, I feel like. You have to have them. They weren't roasted on an open fire by us, but they were by Geffen?
Geffen? At least Jack Frost isn't nipping at your nose.
It's true. These don't smell great.
They're chestnuts.
Here, you want me to take it?
I'm not eating that.
These smell awful. These smell terrible. When's the expiration date? I'm gonna just try a little bite. These, if anything has smelled like dog food today, this smells like that.
They smell so bad. They actually smell like canned dog food.
Yeah.
No.
Tastes like canned dog food. Not that I know what that tastes like, but
back. I'm gonna throw these away right away.
Gross. Maybe these will be better. Gingerbread almonds.
There's no way they couldn't be better. You just ate dog food.
These are like salty gingerbread.
I just love almonds, so these are the win.
These are really good.
I'd much rather have a plain roasted and salted almond, but these are okay, I guess. Much better than dog food.
Yeah. These are Wegmans brand. These are Wegmans brand, but I know that they sell ones like this at Aldi too. So definitely look around for some gingerbread almonds. All right, biscotti.
Last but not least.
Nope, we got one more. Well, the last one's gonna be the winner. It's a limited batch from Noni's.
Limited, it's really limited. You know they're gonna be classy because they're individually wrapped. Smells good.
There's big almonds in it. Very, very subtle gingerbread. You don't get it until the very, very end.
I was gonna say, it tastes like nothing.
They needed way more ginger.
It's just tooth-breakingly hard almonds. That's all it is.
We're really striking out. All right, this last one I'm really excited about because I saw this in another YouTuber's video. I think they have either this brand or something very similar to this in Epcot in the UK pavilion that you can get. They had them at Wegmans. They are Walker's Mince Pies. So they're like little pies. Look how cute they are.
Mince pie?
Perfectly baked, crumbly, buttery pastry packed with plump, juicy vine fruits, tangy peel, and spices. A delicious taste of Christmas.
They sound okay.
And there's 6 pies in this box. There's 6 luxury pies in this box. It's a product of Scotland. Oh, these are really cute. Look at how cute they are.
Those Scots.
They have like little snowflakes on them. Oh my gosh.
Look, It even comes in little Scottish tins.
These are the front with the little snowflake.
Remove carefully from tin. Don't eat the tin. Don't do that.
They look rather like decently moist for, at least the bottom does. No soggy bottom. It's like a Fig Newton, but a little pie.
That's really good. I like that.
This might be the best one. What do you think?
Might?
What else did we have? I don't know, flips.
No, this is better.
You think this is better than the flips?
Yes.
All right, guys, well, that is it for our holiday treats. It was kind of a fail. Like, most of them were a fail. So maybe stick to the homemade treats for the holidays, except the flips and the mince pies were very good. I would totally recommend getting those.
Yes.
I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give us a big thumbs up. Also, comment below, tell me, have you had any of these snacks, treats, desserts? And if you haven't, which one do you want to try the most? And also, we would love for you to give this channel a subscribe and join the Mouse and Mermaid family. You can also ring the notification bell if you are already subscribed. We hope to see you in our next Vlogmas video, and I hope that you have a very Merry Christmas. Peace, love, and quackerini. Before you go, we wanted to make sure you had a chance to catch our feature in-park video for Vlogmas. You can find a link to the video up above or down in the description. This is our first day, part 2 of our December 2016 Christmas Disney vacation. We go to Kona Cafe for dinner and then wrap up Christmas Day at the Magic Kingdom. I hope you'll go give it a watch.